Hello, friends. We all are hearing the regular hearing is going on in the Supreme Court regarding the deletion of 65 lakhs voters in Bihar as the Election Commission is conducting the SIR process in Bihar. And in each and every hearing, we are hearing that the Supreme Court order, the interim orders that Supreme Court is rendering. Uh, in each one of them, Supreme Court is asking the Election Commission to accept the Aadhaar card for those who will object and appeal for inclusion of their names after being deleted from the electoral roll. To understand this, we have to understand the process of SIR, what is happening in Bihar. The Election Commission has taken the 2003 electoral roll of Bihar as standard. And the people whose names were there in 2003 electoral roll as well as the current electoral roll, the people who are featuring in both the electoral rolls, that of 2003 and that of the current one, all those people will be staying as standard voters. And the people whose names are there in the current electoral roll but were not present in 2003 electoral roll, for them the SIR process is going on, in which the booth level officers are going house to house, spot to spot to verify the identity of those voters who are present, whose names are present in the current list but were not present in 2003, and thus after conduction of the whole SIR process, 65 lakhs voters were deleted from the present electoral roll of Bihar. Who were deleted? The people who died, the people who left the place, or the people who don't really have the locus standi to get included in the voters list. So these various types of people, the dead people, and like the names were still featuring in the voters list, those people who shifted to some other place but their names were featuring in the voters list, and those people who acquired their name in the voters list but they actually do not have the locus standi to be the voters of Bihar. So such people's names got deleted and 65 lakhs voters names got deleted. However, now the Supreme Court is hearing such cases. Several petitioners have lodged cases against this process. Some people like ADR, Association of Democratic Rights, for whom advocate Gopal Shankar Narayan is fighting, for whom Prashant Bhushan is fighting, and various other advocates are fighting. Such organizations are actually requesting the Supreme Court to declare the SIR process itself null and void. They are raising the question whether the Election Commission at all have the locus standi to conduct an SIR. While if we look at our Constitution of India, then starting right from Article 324 up to Article 329, all are related to Election Commission. And then Article 324 clearly says that the superintendent's direction and control of the election process, including the revision of the electoral roll, the superintendent's direction and control lies with the Election Commission. This means Election Commission can conduct a special electoral roll revision. And once we look at the section 23A of the Representation of Peoples Act, there also Election Commission has full liberty to conduct such a process, but this particular right of Election Commission is being challenged in the Supreme Court. by some NGOs called Association of Democratic Rights. The NGOs are challenging the rights of the Election Commission of India, which is a constitutional body, separate constitutional body with its own power. And this Article 324 is known as the reservoir of power. Truly a reservoir of power. If you all read that particular article, we will understand what is the power that Election Commission has. We have no issues about it, but Association of Democratic Rights have serious problems regarding that. They are challenging the SIR process, and there are several other advocates like Prashant Bhushan of ADR, Gopal Shankar Narayan of ADR, Abhishek Manu Singhvi. These are the people who are repeatedly wanting Aadhaar as a verification document. They are demanding Aadhaar for whom? To understand this, we have to first realize the point that the voters whose names were there in 2003 electoral roll and is still there in the present electoral roll, and if they are alive, then they are already voters. They don't have to, they are there as voters. Now, the people who got deleted after the SIR process, the names of the people who got deleted, the 65 lakhs people, if they have to appeal to the Election Commission that no, my name cannot be deleted, I exist and this is my identity, you have to keep me in the voters list. My name was there in the current voters list. You cannot delete my name. I still exist. And then when this particular application is being deposited to the Election Commission, means maybe to the booth level officers or maybe to the EROs, wherever it is, wherever the application is supposed to be deposited by the people, by the person who thinks that his or her name have been illogically, irrationally deleted, then that person needs to apply with some document of those 11 documents as listed in the Election Commission circular issued earlier before the Bihar SIR was started. So one of those documents, the Election Commission asked for one of those documents to be submitted along with their appeal. Here, the advocates like Abhishek Manu Singhvi, Gopal Shankar Narayan and Prashant Bhushan, these types of advocates are continuously demanding that for such application, let Aadhaar be the document. Let the person appeal to the Election Commission with the Aadhaar card. Let Aadhaar be accepted as a supporting document. And Supreme Court also is admitting their such prayer. Supreme Court in the earlier hearing also, even in today's hearing, Supreme Court has said that yes, the people who has objections against the deletion of their names from the electoral roll can appeal with the Aadhaar card. One of those 11 in today's order, Supreme Court mentions, I can read it for you from the report. In today's the bench of Justices Suryakant and Jaymallu Bagchi said the people can submit their objections with any of the 11 documents mentioned in Form 6 by Election Commission of India or Aadhaar card. What Election Commission wanted is Aadhaar card and one of those 11 documents. Here, Supreme Court orders either one of those 11 documents or Aadhaar card. Means only Aadhaar card is enough for you to appeal to the Election Commission and claim that the deletion of his or her name was unjust. Whatever happens, now imagine, people are not understanding, as I am writing posts one after another on this topic, that this is a very serious issue. Very very efficient lawyers, very like luminaries, legal luminaries like Abhishek Manu Singhvi, Kapil Sibal, and this Gopal Shankar Narayan, Prashant Bhushan. They are legal luminaries of our country. They are not wanting inclusion of Aadhaar for nothing. There's a reason behind it. There's a reason behind it. What is the reason? People are thinking that it is only for application, and after the application maybe a person can apply with Aadhaar card, and after that it is the Election Commission's prerogative to judge his application and accept him as a voter. People are thinking that. People are thinking that Election Commission is a separate body. Anyone can apply, but it is Election Commission's job to Election Commission's job and prerogative to judge whether that particular application has to be accepted or not. People are not really imagining who are the Election Commission. We must be very aware of the fact that Election Commission is nothing but the state officials. Who is the Chief Electoral Officer of West Bengal? Someone called Manoj Agarwal. He is a state cadre officer. He is a West Bengal state cadre IAS. And recently, on 6th August, a news came in the newspapers that for the posts of additional electoral officer, deputy electoral officer and the joint electoral officer, Election Commission wanted 3 more officers from the state government, and state government sent 9 names, 3 for each post, 1 for additional electoral officer, 1 for the deputy electoral officer, and the other one for joint electoral officer. And for each posts, from amongst the WBCS officers of West Bengal, WBCS means West Bengal Civil Services officers, the West Bengal state sent 9 names, and all the 9 names were rejected by the Election Commission. The Election Commission of India didn't choose any one of those names sent by the West Bengal state. All of them are WBCS officers. And the Election Commission means the bureaucracy, the officers set up with the help of whom the Election Commission will work in West Bengal are all the state officials, the WBCS, the IASs. So these are the people who will evaluate such objections, such applications containing objections. These are the people. So now imagine the people who are sitting in, all of them are Election Commission. When they are working under Election Commission of India, Election Commission of India doesn't have a separate bureaucratic setup. They don't have a separate set of bureaucrats who will work only for them and no other job. No such provision. In each state, the Election Commission of India works through the state machinery. So in West Bengal. So when such Aadhaar card is, as per the order of the Supreme Court, that a person can appeal with the help of Aadhaar, then imagine the people, the officers of West Bengal state, they are all prepared to accept such Aadhaar cards. And then will you say that Election Commission will not accept Aadhaar cards? Who are the Election Commission? These state officials are the Election Commission. And for 7 crores, more than 7 crores voter of West Bengal, and there around West Bengal has around 1.2 crore fake voters. So if we all put together, dead voters, migrant voters and fake voters, all put together more than 1 crore. So if this 1 crore voters get deleted, and if this 1 crore application gets deposited, do you really believe that the Chief Election Commissioner sitting in Delhi, Ganesh Kumar ji, sitting in Delhi, he will individually look at every application? Oh, no. This has been applied with Aadhaar, so it will be. Is it possible? And And the officers of our state, they are all prepared to accept the Aadhaar. Now imagine a person, in case of West Bengal, the reference electoral roll will be of 2002. Now imagine a family which has 5 people, and out of whom, like one person, all the names were there. One person is young, whose name were not there in 2002 electoral roll, but it is there featuring in the present electoral roll. And one person had died after 2002, say in 2004. So if that, when the booth level officers come for a visit, that person sees that all the other names are there in 2002 electoral roll also, and in this present electoral roll also. And imagine the dead person's name didn't get deleted. It is still featuring here. And a young person will be included because he or she can show his or her heritage, that my parents are there, my grandparents are there, so I am a voter. The person who has died in, say, 2004, his name is also perhaps featuring in the voters list somewhere else, and someone else is voting in his name, right? And now when the booth level officer comes to the house and understands that this person is no more, then that name gets struck off. And then someone else appeals to the people, to the officers, to the EROs, to the AEROs, to the maybe to the district election officers, that I exist, I am alive, look, this is my Aadhaar card, I appeal, please include my name. Do you think the West Bengal officers will still keep his name deleted? That Aadhaar may be a forged Aadhaar card. If you really match up his Aadhaar data with the data in the Aadhaar server, then those two data will not match. But do you think that West Bengal officers will really match up the applicant's Aadhaar data with the Aadhaar data in the server? Maybe it's a forged Aadhaar. And they are already all prepared, all up to accept those applications. And they will accept. And that is the reason why Aadhaar cannot be there. Aadhaar should not be there, as like it should be no document to appeal also with. Because if such a Supreme Court order remains, then our people, the officers of the West Bengal state, or I would say in a different way, Election Commission in West Bengal state, because Election Commission is not separate people, they are the same people. The same state officials will work under Election Commission. The Election Commission in West Bengal state will be then bound to accept Aadhaar. So, in the final order of Supreme Court, if Supreme Court keep last hearing and today's hearing, in both the hearing, Supreme Court insists on Aadhaar being a single, Aadhaar being a document for appealing for revision against deletion of names. But it cannot remain. In the final order of Supreme Court, it is absolutely necessary that Aadhaar doesn't qualify at all. Aadhaar does not qualify at all to be an appealing document, because if that qualifies, then be rest assured that even if 1 crore 20 lakhs voters get deleted in the first phase, immediately after that in the appeal process, all will appeal with Aadhaar and all will be accepted, because West Bengal officers are all prepared to do that. And that is why Aadhaar cannot be, Election Commission has not wielded its power. Election Commission is not saying that the kind of power we have, it is not the Supreme Court's domain, but Supreme Court is hearing it. We know the Supreme Court of India, so they are hearing all the cases. This is not really the domain of Supreme Court. It is the domain of the Election Commission. But still Supreme Court is hearing the case. And we know our election commission is like this. Our Supreme Court is like this. So they are hearing. But in the final order of the Supreme Court, it is absolutely necessary that Aadhaar doesn't at all qualify to be any document to appeal with. Because if it qualifies, if Aadhaar is at all accepted instead of any one of those 11 documents, then be rest assured in West Bengal, all the officers, the EROs, AEROs, District Election Office, DEOs, all will be absolutely ready to accept that Aadhaar and the application and the name will be re-included in the voters list. There will be no point of doing SIR in that case in West Bengal. So Aadhaar cannot at all feature. And that is what I wanted to say. At the final hearing in the Supreme Court, Election Commission of India needs to place it in this way, because if once and for all, if the Supreme Court order comes out, then that order will be taken as reference by the West Bengal state, and West Bengal will say that as per the Supreme Court order we have done this. And then even if you charge them in the Supreme Court will say, yeah, it's the standard, because whatever we say is rule. So the Election Commission of India, I think it's my prayer that Aadhaar, in the final order of the Supreme Court, Aadhaar cannot feature at all as any document, even for appeal, because no other state will have problems. Every other state, the state machinery doesn't go in conflict with the any other constitutional body. But in West Bengal, the state machinery is always conflicting with all other constitutional bodies. So this cannot be done. Thinking of the border state with the longest border, 2216.17 kilometers long border with an Islamic country, West Bengal is such a state. No other state like West Bengal. So for this particular state, kindly don't include Aadhaar as any document.